Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11 Conic section on hyperbola. You have already got two lessons, that is one on parabola, another on ellipse. Now hyperbola, please pay your attention on the book. E equal to 1 for parabola. What is E? That is eccentricity. What is eccentricity? That is PF by PM. PF, that is any point on parabola, hyperbola or ellipse, that is P, XY, coordinate XY, and distance from focus and distance from directrix, that is PF by PM. That is known as eccentricity. In case of parabola, eccentricity equal to 1. In case of ellipse, that is less than 1, and in case of hyperbola, greater than 1. That you have to remember. Now, the equation of a hyperbola in the standard form, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. And b square equal to a square into e square minus 1. Hyperbola and ellipse, there are similarities. In case of ellipse, this sign will be plus and this is same. That is b square equal to a square into e square minus 1. Now you have to notice the diagram attentively, and position and the terms you have to notice carefully. Now pay your attention. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. In case of hyperbola, x-axis known as transverse and y-axis known as conjugate. But in case of ellipse, this is major and this is minor axis. And equation of conjugate, that is x equal to 0, and equation of transverse, that is y equal to 0. And length of conjugate, that is 2a, a transverse, that is 2a, and length of the transverse, that is 2a, length of the conjugate, that is 2b. Don't be confused, you must notice attentively, then it will be clear. And coordinate of focus, that is AE 0, there are two foci in case of ellipse and hyperbola. This is the focus coordinate, that is AE 0, and this is the focus coordinate, that is minus AE 0. And this is the vertex, and this is the another vertex, coordinates A0, and that is minus A0. And this is the lateral sectum, and this is another lateral sectum. Length in both cases is the same. Equation will be different. That is x minus AE equal to 0 and x plus AE equal to 0. Directrix also different equation, that is x minus AE equal to 0 and x plus A by E equal to 0. You have to notice attentively and you have to remember. On this, one sum is given, that is the coordinates of the foci are this and its lateral sectum is 10 units. Find the equation of the hyperbola. What is given, that you have to understand clearly, and equation hyperbola is required. Let the equation of the required hyperbola be x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. It is standard form. Therefore, the coordinates of the foci are, in case of standard form, plus minus AE 0, y plus minus, right side plus and left side, that is minus. And length of lateral sectum, that is same. Length of lateral sectum, that is same. That is 2b square by a. According to question, that is AE equal to 6. That is given, plus minus 6. And lateral sectum, that is 10 units. So 2b square equal to 10. We are getting these two equations from the problem. From 2 we have, now we are solving. By cross multiplication we are getting, and simplifying and cross multiplication we are getting b square equal to 5a. Now we are putting b square, value of b square, that is this, in place of b square we are writing this, and this is 5a. Then by simplification we are getting a quadratic equation. By middle term factorization we are getting two factors, that is a plus 9 into a minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore a equal to minus 9 or a equal to 4. Therefore a equal to 4 since a not equal to minus 1. Now we are getting the value of a. Now putting a equal to 4 in equation this here. So after putting the value of a here, we will get the value of b, that is b equal to 20. Now we are getting the values of a and b. In this equation, that is standard equation, x square minus a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Here in place of a square we are putting the value of a, that is 4. So for 4 square, that is 16, and b square, that is 20. By putting the values and simplifying, we are getting 5x square minus 4y square equal to 80. This is the answer, and this is the required equation of hyperbola. Sum is completed. You have to follow the step and you have to remember the terms, then easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.